So with the whole backyard renovation, I've really been neglecting my front yard. But while I was in Utah, I was able to pick up a bunch of ProPEAT. So I'm going to start bringing my high to cuth down in anticipation for the fall and winter. Maybe next week I'll run the dethatcher over it a little bit. But for today, I want to get some of this spread out and probably hit it with a biostim pack, and we'll see how it looks here in about a week. Alright, so, it didn't look great. I've been leaving this at about 3 1/4 inches all summer long, brought it down to 2 3/4, and it looks a little beat up, but it'll survive. Let's get to putting this ProPEAT out and see what happens here in the next few days. I'm going to use the bag rate, which is about 4 pounds per thousand, works out to just under 3/4 of a pound of N per 1,000 square feet. Well, let's get to spreading. So the one thing with ProPEAT, as you can see, it's a smaller pro. They all look the same. That's because it's a homogeneous pro. It has all the nutrients in each one of these pros, so that gives a nice even spread. But like I said, I've never used this before. Gonna see how it does, but not sure what the setting on the echo is. So I'm gonna start out really low and see how it goes, and go from there. Alright, so I thought about putting biostimulants down, then I started thinking, I don't want to alter the results of this. I want to see how this ProPEAT works. Give you a pretty good idea of what it looks like now. I'll show you some B-roll there of what it looks like today as I'm watering this in, and then I'll come back out in a couple days and we'll see what it looks like.